What up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the aquatic ultra quiet power lifter, the 10 to 20 gallon one. These are all the pieces. This is like the tube thing. This is the filtrage, the cartridge, and this is the filter. And then that's the lid. So the first thing you're going to want to do is attach this little thing into the pipe. Don't push it too hard. And so from there, this is how it's gonna look like. And so you go like this. You put this little yellow thing towards the hole, and then you insert it. Yep, it's in. And then from there you put this in first. Boom. So it looks like that. Almost done. And then from here you just go like this. You put this one like this. And slides through. This is just an algae scraper. You know, if it gets dirty or whatever. And this is the lid. So this goes like this. Boom. Boom. You know? Filthy. You know? And I'm gonna show you guys how to what's gonna look like in my tank. So I'll be back. And so what you want next, all I got to do is put it on like this, the two hanging out, and that right there. All you gotta do is connect it. Okay. You gotta put water at the top of here though. Like that, you gotta put water. So before it was acting weird because it was dry, but you gotta fill this up with water up to here, and it starts pouring up. So this is how it looks like now. So far so good, you know. And yeah, if you guys like the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's my turtle right here. He got pushed. But yeah. Alright. Bye.